Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how a freelancer will register in the Xilancer marketplace. Let's go to the website, click on sign up, click on join as freelancer and click continue. Type your first name, last name, type your username, type the name, type phone number, type a password, click on the sign up now. Now it will ask for you to verify your account. Go to your email box, click on the OTP email, copy this OTP, paste here, click on the verify account. Congratulations, now you have registered as a freelancer in the Xilancer marketplace. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.